Hello, good morning student. Now we continue from the last video. Till last video we have discussed about the river system of Himalayan river. Today now I am going to explain the river system of Peninsular river. Okay, so first of the river students that we see there in Peninsular river is Narmada. Okay, the drainage basin of Narmada river students extended over Madhya Pradesh and part of its basin lies in Gujarat. Okay, Narmada river students originate from Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Narmada originates from the Amarkantak hills from its sources and flow westward through a gorges and through the marble rocks. In last video I have discussed students about the Narmada system, that this river form one of the most beautiful waterfall students. At its mouth it makes an estuary with the Arabian Sea. It does not have a well developed tributary system since its tributaries are very short. Okay, since these all are the rain fed river students, that's why it does not have long courses there. Okay, second river students we see Tapi basin, Tapi river. Okay, so this river flow parallel to Narmada. ये parallel to Narmada बहता है students, which originate from the Satpura ranges, जो सतपुरा रेंज से होता है. The Tapi flow almost parallel, okay, to Narmada. ठीक है, and joined students by a number of tributaries like Sabarmati, Mahi, Periya. Okay, this basin is shared by the state of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Okay, okay students, so these two peninsular river flow or fell into the Arabian Sea. Now students, the river, now I am going to explain about those river which students fell into the Bay of Bengal, and one such river students we see Mahanadi. Okay, the Mahanadi has its sources near Siaba in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh. It originates students from there. The Mahanadi drainage basin extended over the state of Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal as well as means Jharkhand students there. ठीक है, a number of smaller rivers joined it on the both the left and right banks, and the total length of this river is 860 kilometers students. Okay, the another river students is Godavari basin. Students, this is called the Dachini Ganga, and this is one of the largest peninsular river that is extended students and origin from Maharashtra district Nasik students. Okay, it has 1500 kilometers and more than half of the drainage basin lies in Maharashtra, and students remaining shared by the state of Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha. Okay, Bridh Ganga, Pan Ganga, Ban Ganga all are the tributaries of this river students. All are the tributaries. Okay students, so now students I am going to explain the different river also. Okay, okay students, now we can see there students, we can notice about the Krishna basin. The basin students rises near Mahabaleshwar from a spring, and it is about 950 kilometers long. The basin is shared by the state like the Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. The main tributaries of Krishna include Tungabhadra, Koyna, Ghat Prabha. These all the river students are the tributaries of river Krishna. Okay students, our Koyna is a well developed river system, I can say students multi-purpose river project is there in Maharashtra. Okay, and last students we have to discuss about the Kaveri basin, the west that rises students from the western Ghat. Okay, Brahmagiri hills से ये निकलता है students. Okay, the total length of this river is 800 kilometer. टोटल लेंथ इसका 800 किलोमीटर है स्टूडेंट्स. हेमवती है, काबनी है, अमरावती है. ओके, दिस ऑल आर the tributaries of this river students. Okay, or it flow through the two states Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Almost always in the news of us for sharing water of this river. There is a conflict between the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka students about the share of water of these river students. Okay, so this was what about the river students. Now we have also discussed about the lakes. Okay, a lake is an area of variable size filled with water. ठीक है, वेरिएबल साइज होता है दैट इज फिल्ड बाय द वाटर. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द लेक आर ऑफ टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स, natural and artificials. Okay, the lake students have the sweet water lakes, and sweet water lakes are usually developed in the Himalayan regions, that water comes from the glacier. And BC students, the salty lake originally originate at the lagoon or the backway water of the sea. Okay, तो अगर हम देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स साल्ट लेक में, तो आप चिल्का लेक हो गया, सांबर लेक हो गया स्टूडेंट्स, और स्वीट लेक में हम लोग देखिए कूलर झील देखते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ये होता है. ठीक है, तो लेक आर ऑफ ग्रेट इम्पोर्टेंस, ये बहुत सारा इम्पोर्टेंस भी होता है स्टूडेंट्स. दैट फ्लो स्प्लिट द फ्लो ऑफ द वाटर हो गया, इरीगेशंस के लिए हो जाता है, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए हो जाता है. एंड दीज ऑल आर बी नोटिस इन द contribution of economy also, that how river and other students contribute in its water economy में कैसे ये कंट्रीब्यूट करता है. सबसे पहले आप देखिए एग्रीकल्चर में. ठीक है, that these river students supply the sufficient water for irrigation. Also students, it develop the flood plain which is very fertile. ये फ्लड प्लेन भी क्रिएट करता है जो काफ़ी फर्टाइल होता है ना. ड्रेनेज बेसिन स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ड्रेनेज बेसिन आर द सिस्टम इंटायरली डिपेंडेंट ऑन द रिवर. द ड्रेनेज बेसिन हेल्प अस टू डिटरमाइन फ्लो एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ अंडरग्राउंड वाटर, स्लोप ऑफ द लैंड एज वेल एज द इकोनॉमिक यूजफुलनेस ऑफ द लैंड. ओके, एंड दिस रिवर स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो हेल्प इन क्रिएटिंग द मल्टीपर्पज project which are of a great utilizations. We have developed. We have already discussed this about the previous chapter in water resources, that how these are the useful students, that water resource 10 में पढ़ना स्टूडेंट, सॉरी. ठीक है, आप देखिए मल्टीपर्पस रिवर प्रोजेक्ट क्या है. मल्टी रिवर प्रोजेक्ट जो है ये है डैमिंग एक्रॉस द रिवर, माने किसी नदी पर डैम बना देना. ठीक है, तो द स्टैंडिंग वाटर, the water which is collected through the dam can be utilized for fishing, generating hydroelectricity. It can also develop as a tourist place. इसको हम tourist place में भी develop कर सकते हैं students. ठीक है, developing the canals develop कर सकते हैं which supply the sufficient water for irrigations. We can students change the direction of water to the area which are very dry, that is the rainfall. Okay, so these all are students the river system, and that we have to discuss. But unfortunately we now see that how these rivers are getting polluted. The main reason of pollution of the water students is influence of the industries. Okay, human activities students later we fail all the drainage into the river, that cause the contamination of the water. We also students utilize the fertilizers which somehow also student contaminate the water. Okay, so water pollution is a major problem before us, because it is not only affecting the human life but also the aquatic life also students, about those living things which usually live in the water. Okay, so this was all about the students this chapter we have discussed. I have also given the notes you to determine there. Okay, so next students we will discuss about the next chapter on Monday. Have a nice day. Okay students, have a nice day.